Michelle True, and today we are at River Belle Terrace, because guess what? They brought the breakfast back! Alright, we just sat down and they have so many different options. I'm so excited. I have no idea what I want. I think I want it all. So it's just plain black coffee with no flavoring or anything at all.
We have creamer, but it's not going to be like what you're comparing it to just Starbucks.
Sure, I'll have a coffee. They don't have Starbucks here, so I'm going to have to just drink black coffee. It tastes like water. I'm going to Starbucks after this. I'm really hungry. I can't wait for my food. So I think the reason why our food is taking a while is because I ordered a steak.
Did you say steak?
But I don't know. How are you? Ooh, that looks delicious. Oh, that looks really good. So I got the steak and eggs and they look so good. It has like an avocado crema with the arugula salad on top. I just am so hungry. I just want to dig in right now. Alright. Let's try it. The steak is juicy, not very flavorful, but with the avocado crema, it's really good. I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. Tater tots. I'm happy. It's good.
I got pancakes, bacon, and the fruit. But you don't know what that is.
It's butter.
So I love seasoning. When I make my steaks at home, I put a ton of sugar. I'm sorry. See, I need sugar. I put a ton of pepper and salt to make that nice crust. The steak is not seasoned, so you have to just take that steak and just dip it into that avocado crema. But the steak alone is kind of plain. So I was super excited about the breakfast coming back to River Belle Terrace. I'm a little underwhelmed. I was expecting something like 100 out of 100, but it's definitely probably like a 50 out of 100. I'll come back and try out the other items, but so far I'm not really impressed. Sorry! Alright, so we just finished at the River Belle Terrace, and I would probably give it a 5 out of 10. I will come back because it is their second day, so it might get better. You never know. Until next time, guys. See you later.